The McLaren Mercedes SLR is a supercar developed through the collaboration between McLaren Automotive and Mercedes-Benz. Produced between 2003 and 2010, the SLR combines McLaren's racing pedigree with Mercedes-Benz luxury and engineering. The car is known for its distinctive design, powerful performance, and advanced technology. Here's a detailed look at its interior and exterior features. Exterior features. The McLaren SLR features a striking design characterized by its long hood, low-slung body, and graceful curves. The overall aesthetic is a blend of modern and classic supercar elements, making it instantly recognizable. Aerodynamic optimization. The SLR is designed with aerodynamics in mind, featuring an integrated front splitter and rear diffuser, along with an active rear spoiler. These elements enhance stability and downforce at high speeds. The front end is dominated by a large grille, flanked by stylish headlights that incorporate advanced lighting technology. The air intakes beneath the headlights are functional, channeling airflow to cool the engine. Interior features. The interior of the McLaren SLR offers a fusion of luxury and functionality. High-quality materials, including leather and exposed carbon fiber, create a sophisticated and sporty atmosphere. Advanced technology. The McLaren SLR is equipped with a variety of technological features, including a premium sound system, navigation, and climate control. The infotainment system, while offering advanced features, is straightforward in design to minimize distractions. Performance highlights powertrain. The McLaren SLR is powered by a supercharged 5.4-liter V8 engine, producing approximately 617 horsepower and 780 nanometers of torque. Acceleration. The SLR can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour, 0 to 100 kilometers per h, in about 3.8 seconds, with a top speed of around 207 miles per hour, 333 kilometers per h. Advanced suspension. The car features a sophisticated suspension system that balances comfort and handling, allowing for an engaging driving experience on both roads and tracks.